Okay, so guys, I just used this. Book organizer as a Rubik's cube, but then my mom said, "What? You don't have to put your Rubik's cubes. It's only for your Rubik's cube." But that didn't matter, so I just did this. But then, guys, I've been collecting Rubik's cubes for over a year, and then this is how much I got. Only 18. But guys, why did I bought 18 Rubik's cubes? Well, because when I was cracking Rubik's cubes over a year, and I bought this in school, my parents didn't know that the Rubik's cubes are good for your brain. So I just got this much. Okay, let's stuff it out. Okay, so I'm going to show you my first Rubik's Cube that I got in school. Now my second Rubik's Cube. Nope, that's not my second Rubik's Cube. Yep, that's my second Rubik's Cube. My second Rubik's Cube is much more flexible. And it can corner cut. Yeah. It can corner twist, even if it doesn't have magnets. Now my fourth Rubik's Cube is my Rubik's Phantom. This Rubik's Cube can turn good. The turning is okay. It's less flexible, but it can still corner cut. Now my fourth Rubik's Cube is my Infinity Cube. My fifth Rubik's Cube, my 2x2. My sixth Rubik's Cube, my another 3x3 that can still corner cut. Now, this is my 4x4, but then this is so hard that I use this as a 2x2. Now this is my 5x5, and it turns so bad, because here's what happens when you turn it. The turning might be okay, but then it's stickled and you cannot corner cut. And guys, you need to open a 12 pasta sauce or something like that. Okay, now this is my 3x3. That's not a Rubik's Square. So this is my next cube. It can corner twist. Might be less flexible, but it can still corner cut. And then I have this display thing that I can use to display my Rubik's Cube. Now my Rubik's 2x2x4. Now my 3x3 that cannot corner twist, but sometimes. Now my Rubik's keychain. Now my repo. Now this is my Rubik's Cube that I got from second class called the 3x3 Fusion. Now this is my 11th Rubik's Cube. So guys, I just do random numbers. So guys, this is my Rubik's Twist. Now my Yoshimoto cube that makes star balls and have big 2 blocks. Now my Rubik's block with a loud sound. now my Rubik's slide. Now that's all I got. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.